Hey there, my fellow speakers at NSA Arizona. Here's the deal. I want you to just put down that marketing plan. I want you to step away from your speaker website for a second and grab your notebook, because I'm about to show you why the most sought after speakers in the world don't need any of that. Now, pull out your calendar, just scroll over to January and block off the morning of January 11th, because in Tempe, Arizona, I'm going to transform the way you think about building your speaking business forever. Yeah, that's right. From 8:30 a.m. to about noon at our Tempe chapter meeting, I'm going to reveal the real mechanics of the speaking business, how fees are actually set, why some speakers consistently command higher fees, and how the most successful speakers fill their calendar without spending a dime on marketing. Now look, I know you're hustling to book more gigs, you're crafting customized presentations, you're constantly updating your marketing materials, all while you're trying to increase your fee. I get it, and I've been there. But here's the thing. For 2 full hours, I am going to break down exactly how the speaking business actually works, live. No slides, no decks, just you and me and a visual journey through the real sales process that drives speaking success. You're going to discover the 4 types of keynote speakers and where you fit in, how to leverage compounding gigs to exponentially grow your business, and the secret to turning 1 engagement into 3 more before you even leave the building. But this isn't theory. This is the exact process that's transformed speakers from breakout presenters to main stage keynoters, from free gigs to 5-figure fees, and from constant hustling to sustainable success. And the best part? You're going to walk away with some clear frameworks for setting your fees, for a proven process for generating more business, and the confidence to build a speaking business that lasts, that continually grows. So, are you ready to see exactly how the speaking business really works? I sure hope so. Join us in Tempe on January 11th. Register now, and let's transform your speaking business together. I'll see you there, fellow speakers.